Hello students, this is Nayesh Rao, your biology teacher. So what is chapter name? How do organisms reproduce? Yeah, last we discussed about this chapter introduction and topic. So what is the reproduction definition? The production of new organism from the existing species, right? Yesterday we discussed about the topic is type of reproduction. Yes, so asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, fission, budding, spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation, vegetative propagation, right? So today we'll discuss about the asexual reproduction topic, right? Yeah, students. So today topic is asexual reproduction. What is the asexual reproduction definition? Yeah, we'll discuss about yesterday also, right? The process of reproduction in which the production of the new organism from a single parent without the involvement of gamete. See, listen here, see here, without the involvement of gametes means here no male and female gametes, only a single parent, only one parent to involve in the reproduction will give new organism or new species. Here only A means absent, right? Absent of sexual reproduction, absent of sexual parts, nothing but we call gametes. So in this asexual reproduction, absent of gametes to involve it give new organism. That means only single parent is involved. That is called asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means so involved in both the male and female gametes or organisms. That is the sexual reproduction. Yeah, we'll discuss in. See here, this is the sexual reproduction. In plants, animals, we'll discuss later. So asexual means absent of gametes, right? Yeah. So in the modes of asexual reproduction, first one. So how many are there asexual reproduction? One is a fission. Fission means binary fission. Yes, budding, spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation, vegetative propagation. Yeah. First one, fission. It is a process of reproduction in which unicellular organism, fission means one organism split into two organism. One organism split into or divided into two organism. That is called fission or binary fission antam. Best example amoeba and leishmania. See first one, binary fission in amoeba means fission in amoeba. So involving only unicellular organisms. It is not possible in multicellular organism, only unicellular organism such as protozoas, bacteria. So these protozoas, bacteria only to involve in a binary fission or fission. See here, only one organism split into two identical half. Means రెండు సేమ్గా ఉంటాయి, టూ ఐడెంటికల్ సేమ్ లుక్ లైక్ ఏ ట్విన్స్ అనుకున్నా. ఎందుకు బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ట్విన్స్ అనుకున్నా, రైట్ స్ప్లిట్ ఇంటూ టూ ఐడెంటికల్ హాఫ్స్ డ్యూరింగ్ సెల్ డివిజన్ లీడింగ్ టు ది excretion of new organism. Means here no parent, no daughter, both are look like a same. See this example, amoeba. So this is the parent cell amoeba, they have only one nucleus, so this is the single cell or unicellular organism. See second point. So here elongation of nucleus first means when the cell division time or reproduction time, first the nucleus is elongate. Third point, see here the nucleus divided into two, so separation of two nucleus. So when separation of two nucleus or divided into two nucleus, the type of process we call karyokinesis. So important one more question, what is a karyokinesis? Division of nucleus or nucleus divides into two. Best example in amoeba. The type of process we call karyokinesis. See here, division of cytoplasm. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ న్యూక్లియస్ డివైడ్ అయిపోయి ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు సైటోప్లాజం. సి హియర్ స్మాల్ నోడ్. ఇక్కడ అసలు గ్యాప్ లేదు, ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ గ్యాప్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ వెరీ వెరీ స్మాల్ గ్యాప్. మీన్స్ గెట్ రెడీ ఫర్ డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ టూ స్పీసీస్, టూ ఆర్గనిజం. సో హియర్ డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ సైటోప్లాజం. సో డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ సైటోప్లాజం వీ కాల్ సైటోకైనసిస్ అంటాం. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. So finally, two daughter cells are produced. This is the parent, but finally two daughter cells. This is I think in these two, which one is the parent? This is the parent, this daughter cell? No? Yes, correct. So here no parent organism, both are daughter cells only. ఆడు చెప్పుకున్నాం మనము a single parent involved, single parent is involved, it give new organisms. See, two new organisms are produced. See, few points are there. So cell grows to maximum size. So this is the maximum size of cell. Nucleus is elongate. So see here, nucleus are elongates. Nucleus divides. So see, nucleus are divided, that is we call karyokinesis. Cytoplasm divides. See here, cytoplasm divided, so we call cytokinesis. Two daughter cells are formed. See, two daughter cells are formed. So this is the fission in amoeba or binary fission in amoeba. One more example in a fission or binary fission, leishmania. Leishmania. So leishmania is a parasite. It is a parasite organism causing disease, Kala-Azar disease. Kala-Azar disease, that is we call black fever. Black fever or leishmaniasis antam. Black fever or leishmaniasis, that is called Kala-Azar, causing with the help of leishmania parasite. It has a greater organization of body. See here, so very well designed. So greater organization of body. It has a whip-like structure, flagella at one its ends. See here, this is the flagella, right? This is the, it has a whip-like structure, that we call flagella at one of its end. See student, it has a whip-like structure, that is called flagella. See this one at the end, look like a whip-like structure, we call flagella. So how many flagellas are there? Only one flagella, so mono. See, undergoes binary fission. Undergoes binary fission. Binary fission. So bi means two. So binary means splitting of one organism into two species or two daughter cells. That is called binary fission. See, undergoes binary fission. Thus, splitting of parent cell during fission takes place in a definite plane. That means longitudinal. Definite plane means, see here, when the first division of flagella, next division of flagella and nucleus. So division of flagella and separate of nucleus, and see here, phloem. Definite plane means longitudinal. At the center plane only, at the center plane only, it can divide into two equal half with respect to the flagella. Means ikkada. So at the particular place of plane, ఆ ప్లేస్లో మాత్రమే it can divide. So finally they can to form a two leishmania. So can divide the, see this one, two species are there, right? So that is called binary fission in leishmania. So this is the so important diagrams also. So will prepare and draw diagram. Okay students, yeah, tomorrow we'll discuss about the multiple fission and fragmentation and spore formation, right? Thank you.